Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Change your courtesy light bulb. If it's burned out, this one's working. We'll show you how to take it off. Actually pop the lens cover off. Use a plastic prying tool. I work it under here. And just gently pry the plastic cover off. And then it's gonna be hot. You can reach up in here and pull the 194 peanut bulb out to change it. So this one was hot because it was working, but normally if it's burned out, it shouldn't be too hot. If you need to remove it, you can take a small flat-bladed screwdriver and pry up in here to kind of catch the metal tabs. So there's one. Go on the other side, get the other one. Try to hold it out. And then you can unplug it, push in on the connector, and pull it out. To replace the bulb, you just slide it right back into place. Then you plug it in, it'll light up. Before we put this back in the door panel, we'll hook the lens back on. So these little white hooks here, have to go on these clear tabs that are on the lens. We'll hook it over, push the other ones over the top, locks the lens in place. You go to reinstall this, there's a plastic tab inside the door panel. It will meet into this opening here, prevents you from installing this backwards. If you try to go this way, it won't want to fit and install correctly. It will only fit in this direction, and you just push it right back into the door panel. Both sides will be the same exact procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.